What's going on YouTube, SkadzThemer right here. In today's video we have some interesting things to discuss about a possible themer for icons on iOS 18 and stuff like that based on the SparseRestore bug. So we're going to get into it in a second. This video is brought to you by Flexstore, a software that allows you to easily install your jailbreak applications directly on your iOS device. You can sign your applications like Uncover and Dopamine Jailbreak and stuff like that directly on your device in Safari without a computer. You can grab your certificates, and of course it supports repos and stuff like that. They have a huge catalog including the latest jailbreaks but also legacy tools, but you can also get jailbreak tools, for example Misaka and many others. Definitely check them out in the link below. So a couple of days ago this developer Skads posted this over here, iOS 17.5.1 SkadzThemer icon theming using SparseRestore plus BroccoliAnalytics, releasing soon. And they posted this picture over here which appears to be a couple of iOS applications themed on the home screen. Now this is based, just like Misaka X and just like Nugget and many other applications, on the SparseRestore bug, which is actually quite powerful for what it is. It's not a big and powerful exploit in itself. It's not a huge kernel exploit or something like that. However, with it, we were able to actually create pretty great tools, including Misaka X, as I said, which allows you to enable various tweaks on the device. However, neither Misaka X or Nugget support icon theming, so this would be a first. Before I get you very hyped up, we need to learn a little bit about this tool. So they say it's releasing soon, and they are actually doing a proof of concept of it. They are working in the background. I actually talked to the developer. I asked them if I should cover this because I didn't want to cover something that may not ever get released or that is broken, because I didn't want to put the developer in a bad light. They did give me the green light for it, so let's learn a little bit about it. Skads actually posted a couple of important mentions about this app. So they said this can only theme user apps, so apps in var partition. User apps is essentially what you install from the App Store. Everything from Facebook and X and YouTube and whatever. You would be able to change the icon for those. What you wouldn't be able to change is the icon for default iOS applications like the Calls application or iMessage or Compass. This should work on all SparseRestore versions up to iOS 18.1 beta 4, 18.0.1 and 17.7, and the process of grabbing the catalogs is fairly manual, exported one by one, and due to the exploit used, it's something they cannot fix. Now they also mention in here to safely theme catalogs, I've prepared the mobile catalog helper app that uses private iOS frameworks to modify the icon data powered by private kits. While it would be theoretically possible to do everything entirely on device, there would be too much fine print and instability. Now there are a lot of limitations to SparseRestore, and via messages, Skads also told me, I currently consider SkadzThemer to be more of an improved POC or proof of concept rather than a fully stable and automated app. There are a few limitations such as icon cache that could make a big difference in how well it works for the average user. That being said, I personally don't mind if you cover it. They said that all these limitations will be covered in the README file once this is released. I'm assuming it's going to be released on GitHub as open source. So while you will be able to theme your icons, because this is based on such a weak exploit, it's actually going to be a little bit of work to get the icons to work, not like a normal jailbreak theme that you install once and it applies the icons to all your apps. You might need to theme them manually one by one, but this is completely without a jailbreak. So this is actually quite great, but you should take it as a proof of concept for the moment, as a work in progress. While it works, and it will work on all devices, on iOS 17 and of course iOS 18, and really anything supported by SparseRestore, which definitely works even on the latest devices, you should know that this has some limitations compared to a true jailbreak. But yeah, definitely a nice thing to mention. Keep an eye on Skads. They may release it at some point. They do plan to release it, and it's probably going to be open source, and it's definitely going to be a nice addition, especially nowadays when jailbreaks are so rare. Thank you for watching. I am SkadzThemer. Till the next time, peace out.